Okay, so let's see this match and index. What we'll do is, first let's see what is match. So see, it is similar to the VLOOKUP. Okay, it is saying that what is the lookup value, what you want to search. Okay, so let's say we want to search. I'll copy this cell here. I want to search this. Okay, where you want to search, where is your lookup array? So you want to search this, it has said, okay, you want to search this, but where is your lookup array, where you want to search? So this I want to search in this column number E, and I'm starting with E2, so this should not be selected. So I'll say I want to start with E2 till, so I don't write, don't want you to write this, you select this, control shift down. So you see you have selected E2 to E44. Great. Then it is asking that what is your match type, whether it is less than, exact match, or greater than. So we are interested in exact match. So I'll put 0 and press enter. Okay. And this it has given 1. Can anybody think why it has given 1? Okay, what I will do is I will copy this, and instead of this I'll put it here. See, it has given 6. So you have to search. See, this 1011 is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this 1011 is coming in the 6th. But why this 6 is taken? Why not 7? See, this is coming in the Excel row number 7, it is coming. Why it has given 6 value? It is because, see this, what you have given your array. You have given your array E2 to E44. So you have given that you have to search in this E2 to E44. So since E2 is starting from here, this is considered as 1. And then this will be the 6th one to come. What if instead of E2 to E44, I change it to E1 to E44 and press enter? See, it has become 7. Why? Because now the 1 is starting from here. 1, 2, 3, like that. And this will be the 7th number. Getting the idea? Right? So it is up to you. Either you can select from the header or you can select from the data. I advise don't select the header. Let it remain this. But be consistent whatever you are selecting. Okay? So as of now, it has given you 6 value only. What is your requirement? Your requirement is to get the code of this company, right? Sorry, the symbol of this company. So code is given, you have to find out the symbol BPCL, which the government wants to divest. So how do you get this BPCL? What will you do? Okay. The thing is very smart. I know that this is 6th number. If at all I can get a function wherein I will input this, that is column number D2 to some range, and I say that, look, I am looking for the 6th value in that, my work will be done. Since I have found out dynamically this 6th value, if I can give this cell this range and I say that I am interested in the 6th value, my work will be done. So that is what the index function does. So this is match function, and let's see what does index do. In index, what you have to do is you have to give the array. So let's say this is the array we are giving, and you have to give what is the row number. As of now, forget about this column number, we'll see that later. You have to give array and you have to give the row number. So what is the row number? 6. So let's see, I will give manually. I have given this from D2 to D44, comma 6. Enter. See, I have got the BPCL as the value I have got. Okay. So this function what we are using is the index function. Okay. So why 6 has come here? Because from the previous one, the output was 6, which I have inserted it here. So I got the BPCL. Now, most of the students I have found, which they have, the error that they have done is this. E2 to E44 they have searched here. But what, instead of D2 to D44, D2 to D44, they will do D1 to D44 and press enter. See, it has come BHEL. Okay. Why BHEL? Because you are interested in finding the sixth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth and it has given you BHEL. Excel is not intelligent, right? It is not smart like you. Whatever you give it, it will throw the answer. So you have to be smart and you have to think what you are inserting in entering the value. So here the proper would be D2 to Z. But now here you are writing two different formula, and if you see that most of the time, like match index, I have given you only one space. So what I am interested in, I'm not interested in two cell formula. We are interested in nested formula. Then that is the crux. You should learn nested formula. Okay. How do you do nested formula here? So you have written index and here you have written 6. But you have to think that how 6 has come, from where 6 has come. So you have to see that this is the value which is giving you, this is the formula which is giving you 6. You copy this. So I have just copied this 6. Okay. And what I will do is, I will go to this cell, go to the formula, delete this 6. And then what I will do is, I will paste. So where instead of 6, I have inserted the formula that was there. Okay. And that is how I have done the one in one I have done. Okay. Please ensure that the row number starting here and row number starting here should be same, D2 to D2. Okay. Otherwise it can create a problem. Okay. If I put it here D1, it will give me different answer. Okay. So this is how you will make a nested formula. Try to make nested formula. You can make initially two different formula, but next time you can bring inside it here. Okay. So we want the nested formula as the answer. So where match and index you should use match and index if you have to search for a value which is this side. You can use VLOOKUP if you have to search this side. Okay. Right. But match index is, I said that it is superior to VLOOKUP because you can use for this side also match index. So you don't have to worry about using VLOOKUP or versus match index. If you know match index, it will do both the work. Just as an example, let's say suppose I select ACC Ltd here. Okay. So I want to know the code of ACC Ltd. Name is given. I want to know symbol of ACC. See, it is searching. The thing is, it is searching here. You have to give it, search it here, right? So it has given you 1, and then okay. So please note that we have to change it here. See, it has given you the ACC. It can do the VLOOKUP work. It can do more than VLOOKUP. It can go back also. And you the HLOOKUP.